In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Wizz Air Discount Club membership. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use on the airline's website so you can add the membership right as you book and immediately see the discounted fares applied. Start by opening your browser and going to wizzair.com. This is where everything happens. On the homepage, look for the booking section. You'll use this to set up the flight you want because the discount club option appears as part of the booking process. That way, you'll see both the standard fare and the discounted fare side by side. Begin by entering your leaving from airport, your destination, and your travel date. If you're flexible, you can adjust dates to compare prices on nearby days. Then choose how many passengers are traveling so the site can show you the correct availability and pricing. Once everything looks right, run the search to see what's available. When the results appear, select a trip that fits your plans and click to continue. You'll see different times and sometimes different prices across days. If a calendar view appears, confirm or adjust your date here so you're locking in the day you actually want. This helps the site display the most accurate fare options on the next screen. Click Start Booking to move forward. This takes you into the detailed fare selection area where the Discount Club option is typically highlighted. Look for a Wizz Discount Club price shown alongside the standard fare. It's usually marked clearly, showing a lower fare if you opt into the membership during this booking. Click Select on the Wizz Discount Club price. Doing this adds the membership to your cart and instantly applies the reduced fare to this flight. Take a moment to check the running total so you can see the membership fee and the discounted ticket price reflected together. If you don't see a discount club price for a particular fare, it may not be available for that selection, so try another time or date if saving is important for this trip. Next, you'll choose your package, Wizz Smart, Wizz Go, or Wizz Plus. These bundles include different levels of extras such as baggage allowances, seat selection, and flexibility options. If you travel light, Wizz Smart can be a simple fit. If you want more comfort and convenience, Wizz Go or Wizz Plus may make sense. Pick the one that matches your needs and budget. That's it. By following these steps, you've added the Wizz Air Discount Club during your booking and selected the fare and bundle that work best for your trip. Before continuing, review your choices on the summary page to ensure everything is correct, then follow the on-screen prompts to wrap up.